Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video, we write Java code solution for question 6 of ICSE 2023 Computer Applications paper, which is to define a class to accept a string and print number of digits, alphabets and special characters. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers, only 1 or 2 are subscribed and a subscription is very important. So please subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So we have to define a class to accept a string and print number of digits, alphabets and special characters. This is the example, alright? So I will start with the class name question 6. You can name the class anything you want. I'm naming the class after the question I'm solving. Okay. This class will accept a string, so I'll take one private data member as a string. Okay. I will write a method public void accept to accept a string, accept a string from the user. Okay, accept a string. So I say scanner class object to accept string from the user dot in, and on the top import java.util.scanner. Okay, I have to read a string, so I first print the prompt dot print enter a string. Okay, and then string, this data member is equal to scanner dot next line. Okay, I'm using next line and not next because I have to read a string and not a word. Okay, it says accept a string, right? So your string input can also contain white spaces, so I take next line and not just next. Okay, because if it was to accept a word, I would have used next. So I have a private data member string, I have a method accept that will accept a string from the user. Now I need to count digits, alphabets and special characters. So I say public void count chars. Okay, I take 3 counters for each of the 3 type of characters. I say int num digits is 0, int num alphabets is 0, int num special characters is 0. Okay, so to count the type of each character, I will have to iterate the string. I say I equal to 0, I less than string dot length I plus plus. Okay, I get the ith character in this string using dot caret method. Okay, and now I have to check if this character ch is a digit, alphabet or special character. Okay, so there are more than one ways you can check if a character is a digit, alphabet or a special character. So first I'm going to use inbuilt Java methods to check if ch is a digit, alphabet or a special character, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you alternative methods to do this. So if character dot is digit ch, so this is the inbuilt class in Java. This is the wrapper class for char type. Okay, it has a method is digit that accepts a character and returns true if this character is a digit. Okay, so if char is digit, I do num digits plus plus. Okay, else if, so this part is if the character is not a digit, so I check for an alphabet using again a method in character class using is letter. Okay, this accepts a character and returns true if this is a letter, returns false if it is not. Okay, in this case I do num alphabets plus plus. And the final else part is when the character is not a digit and not a letter, we say it is a special character. Okay, and that's the definition, that's the usual definition of a special character. If it is not a digit, not a letter, it is a special character. Okay, and here I have counted all the 3 types of characters in this given entire string. Okay, now I just need to print them, so I say system.out.print, okay, number of digits plus num digits. Okay, then I say number of alphabets, you say num alphabets, and then finally number of special characters, you say num special characters. All right. Okay, so this is your class that accepts a string and counts number of digits, alphabets and special characters, which is the requirement of this question here. Okay, you don't have to write a main, but I'm going to write a main to test this class. So this is my code for the name. I have an object of type question 6, which is basically this class. Okay, I call the default constructor because I have not defined any constructor here. Okay, I call accept method to read a string. Okay, and then this count cards method, okay, to count each type of character. Okay, so let me compile this. Compiles Java ICSE question 6. So I enter the sample string at 83. Okay, so Kapil Dev was the captain of Indian cricket team when India won the ODI Cricket World Cup for the first time in 1983, and so this Kapil Dev at 83. Okay, oh, so I have to do print ln and not print. Okay, compile, run again. Okay, silly mistakes you should avoid. Kapil Dev at 83. Number of digits 2, alphabets 8, and characters 1. Okay, alright. Running it for another case. Virat Kohli at 77. He's at the 7700 right now. So digits 2, special character 1, and 10 alphabets. Okay, so this is the solution to your question. But there are a couple of more things I want to share. First is you can use ASCII values to check if a character is a digit. Okay, so you can say if ch is greater than equal to 0 and ch is less than equal to 9. Okay, so if ch is between 0 to 9, that is the ASCII value of ch is between 0 to 9, it means it is a digit, so you increment number of digits by 1. Okay, else if, okay, you can use ASCII values to check for an alphabet as well. So instead of 0 to 9 we have lowercase a to lowercase z. Okay, and you will also have to include the check for uppercase. Okay, so we have uppercase a and uppercase z. All right, so if character is between lowercase a to lowercase z, it is a lowercase letter. If it is between uppercase a to uppercase z, it is an uppercase letter. All right, so if character is a lowercase letter or an uppercase letter, it is an alphabet. So you increment the number of alphabets by 1. And the else case remains the same, that if the character is not a digit, not an alphabet, it is a special character. Okay, all right, so let me clear, compile, and run this again for the same sample string. All right, okay, and running it for another case. Since we took care of both lowercase and uppercase letters, we are getting number of alphabets correctly. All right, so the last thing that I want to share here is you can divide this problem into separate functions, but that would be increasing the lines of code, and you would want to write minimum code in the solution that basically is correct and fulfills all the requirements which this code does. Okay, you can write separate functions to count digits, alphabets, and special characters. All right, the loop is going to remain the same. You will need private data members for each of these counts. Okay, so if you want that code, I will add that as well. Let me know in the comments. So this was the solution to this problem, and I hope this was helpful. So if you have any doubts in the solution, please don't hesitate to ask me that in the comments, and you can always mention in the comments if there is a question you want to solve or if there is a concept you want to discuss. And if there is something that you did not like about this video, please just don't press the dislike button. Please also let me know in the comments what was it that you did not like about this video so that I can improve in my further videos. Thank you.